Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm back with another eyebrow video. So today I have my company will be on a TV show, so I'm gonna go ahead and get prepped and ready, but it's super early still. It's not till later this evening, so I wanted to try out something. Y'all know I'm crazy. Eyebrow wig. So I will make sure I leave the link in the description box of where I got these from. But I just want to try them. I'm going to see how they look. If they look ugly, I'm going to take them off. Because y'all know I can't be, looking crazy on TV, But anyways, guys, I'm so excited. And I just want to show y'all this. We're going to experiment this together. I watched one video. And I was even more confused after I watched it. So I'm going to use eyelash glue to apply these. And we're just going to pray that they work. So sit back and watch. All right, so I am back, and the lash glue that I'm using is from Mila Baby Turbans. I will make sure I link her in my description box. Also, guys, I got some new lashes and lash glue from this other company that I've been waiting to try out, so I'll also link them in the end because I'm going to go ahead and come back with the full face of, y'all know. So anyways, let me shut up and apply these brows. So this is what they look like. I got them in a number 3. I just felt like since I have hardly any eyebrows, and honestly, I don't wear makeup every day, so I just wanted something to try to look more natural, and my eyebrows are very thin and sparse, as you guys can see, so let's see what they look like, y'all. It's gonna be a mess. I'll be trying the weirdest stuff, y'all. All right, let's see. I don't know if I should I cut the lace? Let me get close. Let me see. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace because I'm brown skinned and I don't need that look. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so while I cut off this lace, I wanted to let you guys know that Parker J's Hair Care, my company, is having a buy one, get one 40% off sale until the end of the year. So go ahead and check out that link in the description box. Everything is handcrafted by yours truly, and we are family owned and operated. So every time you place an order, we do a whole celebration dance. They're gonna look a mess. These look like man brows. Oh no, y'all. Can y'all see it? Imagine if I would have got the dark brown. This is like medium brown. Ooh, child. All right, we're gonna keep going with it though. I'm gonna try to make my makeup make this look better. Oh yeah, if you haven't by now, go ahead and check out my Christmas nail video. I'll try to leave the link in the description box, or you can even check out my non-dominant hand nail tutorial. All right. All right, so I'm back. I aborted the mission, guys. I was like, hold up, sis, this is not it. From back here, I was in the mirror like, oh, this looks really, really good. And then I kept getting closer and closer. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but the lace is very noticeable. And it could be me because it's my face, but I feel like it's very noticeable. And I feel like the hair is like they just took like a closure or a frontal and they just cut it into the shape of a brow and then slicked it down. So the hair is very, 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 very long. And it just, I feel like this could have been amazing. So what I want to do is, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try a different brand and see if I can find a brand with shorter hair and a darker lace. I might even just try to tint this lace, guys, because I'm dark. And this lace is like white. And I tried to apply my concealer and makeup to try to get it. You can see it better now. You can see all the grids. I tried to apply my concealer and stuff to try to make it blend better. So we'll see. I am gonna rate this. I'm gonna say an 8 out of a 10 because I really feel like this is something that's fixable. This might be my favorite brow out of all the things I've tried because it's hair-like. And the other one, if y'all watch my last video, I really like the hair strokes because it was like very individual. But at the end of the day, if you're close on my face, it looks like tattooed. You know, it's supposed to have that microbladed look, but it has that glossy, shiny look instead. So yeah, this one might be my favorite. I'm not dogging this one out. Like I'm not, because it's just, I think with a simple lace tint and maybe if I trim the hairs, this could be the one. So I don't know. Y'all tell me what you guys think. I'm going to link everything in the description box. The lash glue that I'm using is from Mila Baby Turbans. And then I got these new lashes, y'all. It's from the girl that braided my hair. She has a lash line and they're so cute. So I have to show y'all at the end. Her name is Portland. Her company is Ageless Classless Beauty. I'm going to put everything below. Show you guys because I think it's so cute. So this is the lash glue. Come on, focus, guys. And it's from Ageless. Can y'all see that? Okay, this is her company, y'all. Ageless Classic Beauty. And I really like this. Oh, God, I'm slow. Just pull off. And so this is the glue, but also has color. So you just line your eyes, stick the lashes on, and it's so cute. So anyways, I just had to shout those two companies out. Mila Baby Turbans, I'll link her stuff. Ageless Classic Beauty, I'll link her stuff. Both of them are phenomenal Black-owned businesses, very professional, very on-time delivery. So I have to, you know, shout them out. And not to mention, my braids look amazing thanks to her. But anyways, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.